how to change zone in Uber Eats. Here's what you want to do. Load up the browser on your phone and Google search for change Uber Eats delivery city. Scroll down until you see deliver in a new city. Click on this link and then right here it's going to ask you to sign into your account. Sign into your account and here you can fill out the information. What city or cities would you like to deliver in? We will do Albuquerque. However you spell it. When would you like to start delivering here? We will choose the date when we want to update our city. So let's just do the 19th. Confirm vehicles, license plate. You will type out your vehicles. License plate here. Please read above notes 1 to 3 and type I agree. So here you will see the notes. Read through them. If you agree, you will type I agree here. And if you want to share additional details just to boost the chances of you getting your request accepted, you will type right here, then you will click submit, and Uber Eats or Uber support will have to manually approve your application. So give it some time, and that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.